Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make pickled cucumber Jamaican style. First, gather your fresh cucumbers, white vinegar, and water. You'll also need sugar, salt, and a blend of pickling spices. Don't forget a whole Scotch bonnet pepper for that authentic kick. Using fresh, high-quality ingredients is key to achieving the best flavor for your delicious pickled cucumbers. Next, thoroughly wash your cucumbers. Then, slice them into thin rounds, aiming for about 1/8 of an inch thick. If you prefer, you can also cut them into spears. Once sliced, carefully place the cucumber pieces into clean, sterilized jars, making sure not to pack them too tightly. This step ensures even pickling. Now, let's create the flavorful brine. In a saucepan, combine equal parts white vinegar and water. Add your sugar and salt, along with the pickling spices and the whole Scotch bonnet pepper. Bring this mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for a few minutes. Allow the brine to cool slightly before moving to the next step. Finally, carefully pour the warm brine over the cucumbers in your jars, ensuring all the cucumber pieces are completely submerged. Seal the jars tightly with their lids. Allow them to cool to room temperature, then transfer them to the refrigerator. For the best flavor, let them pickle for at least 24 hours before enjoying your homemade Jamaican pickled cucumbers.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.